The storm was near English Creek, moving northeast at 10 miles per hour. This storm is capable of producing 1-inch diameter hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Northfield around 4:10 p.m., Pleasantville around 4:25 p.m., Pomona and Absecon around 4:45 p.m. Severe thunderstorms produce winds of more than 57 miles per hour, or hail 1 inch or larger. Very heavy rain will also occur with this severe thunderstorm, which could flood low-lying areas quickly and cover roads with water. Do not drive into areas where water covers the road. Frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this severe thunderstorm. When thunder roars, move indoors. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. for the following county: Atlantic County, New Jersey. The following is a short-term forecast from the National Weather Service for the following counties in New Jersey: Atlantic Coastal Cape May, Atlantic, Cape May, Coastal Atlantic, Coastal Ocean and Inland Ocean. As of 3:12 p.m., a few showers and the stronger thunderstorm developed in the wake of a sea breeze. These are generally tracking northeastward just inland from the beaches. However, if you are on the beach, be alert for a possible thunderstorm, and if one approaches, seek shelter indoors. Local downpours and at least some cloud-to-ground lightning is expected with the stronger activity. At 3 p.m., at the Atlantic City International Airport in Pomona, it was mostly sunny. The temperature was 86 degrees, the dew point 71 degrees, and the relative humidity 60%, producing a heat index of 91. The pressure was 29.83 inches and falling. Elsewhere across New Jersey at 3 p.m. At Millville, it was sunny, with a temperature of 86. It was mostly sunny, with a temperature of 82 at Rio Grande, 88 at Mount Holly, and 89 at Wrightstown. At Trenton, it was partly sunny, with a temperature of 86. At Newark, it was cloudy, with a temperature of 84. Other nearby locations at 3 p.m. It was 91 at Baltimore's Inner Harbor. It was mostly sunny, with a temperature of 87 at Wilmington and 92 at Washington, D.C. At Philadelphia, it was partly sunny, with a temperature of 89. At New York City, it was cloudy, with a temperature of 83. Once again, at 3 p.m. at the Atlantic City International Airport in Pomona, it was 86 degrees under mostly sunny skies. Here are some buoy and coastal reports at 3 p.m. At Sandy Hook, sea temperature 77 degrees, air temperature 79 degrees. At Delaware Bay Buoy, sea temperature 74 degrees, air temperature 76 degrees, wave height 3 feet, wave period 5 seconds. At Cape Henry, Virginia Buoy, sea temperature 79 degrees, wave height 3 feet, wave period 9 seconds. The official National Weather Service forecast for the southeastern Jersey shore. Tonight, mostly cloudy with scattered showers and thunderstorms in the morning, then partly sunny with scattered showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Some thunderstorms may produce gusty winds and heavy rainfall in the afternoon. Humid with highs in the upper 80s. Southwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Chance of rain 50%. Monday night, a chance of showers and thunderstorms in the evening, then showers likely with a chance of thunderstorms after midnight. Some thunderstorms may produce gusty winds and heavy rainfall in the evening. Lows in the lower 70s. Southwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Chance of rain 60%. Tuesday, mostly cloudy with showers likely with a chance of thunderstorms in the morning, then partly sunny with a chance of showers in the afternoon. Humid with highs in the mid-80s. West winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Chance of rain 60%. Tuesday night, partly cloudy in the evening, then clearing. Lows in the mid-60s. Northwest winds around 10 miles an hour. Wednesday, sunny. Highs in the upper 70s. Wednesday night, mostly clear. Lows in the mid-60s. And the extended forecast. Thursday, mostly sunny. Highs in the upper 70s. Thursday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the mid-60s. Friday, sunny.
Oh my God. Going chasing.